Hey, good morning. Good morning. Hey, thank you for joining this new live today. So, we're excited that we have some really good information for today's day. And I want to start with a quick question. So, let me ask you something and help me out answer this, please. When a customer tries to order a product from you and it is out of stock, what exactly happens? Do you wait or do they call another distributor? Why am I asking you? Should it mean lost sales? So I am from Monterosa, the Wholesale Pro, and today I'm showing you the OIS e-commerce app, but specifically for wholesale distributors and CPG manufacturers. So I'm going to walk you through three mobile features your B2B buyers will love. So let's go to the first, to the number one. Let me go ahead and share my screen right now. Give me just a second and I show you how easy it is to use this solution. Just a second. Okay, right now right now I'm sharing my screen. If the first one is place an order in 3 simple steps. Really easy, really simple. So what we're gonna do first is we're going to open the OIS e-commerce app. What you need to do is first of all log in, right? So once you log in, you're gonna select that you're gonna create an order and then start searching or browsing your products. Just select the ones that you need. Look, you have different options to look for the product. You can look by category. You have different criteria, right? But look how simple it is to create an order. Just select the items, and once you go to the checkout, no phone calls, really easy. You can just submit the order, and automatically that transaction that you have created, it'll be sent to your office. So you customers can also reorders in 24 reorder 20 hours, 7 days a week. The way that they reorder is really simple because usually when they're buying, they buy the same products, right? If you notice, you had the historical transactions, so you can easily go back to the transactions that you have created before and just copy and update from the previous transactions. So once you do that, you just start submitting the quantity and send the order right away. So if you notice, it's gonna be really, really simple. So let's go to the second scenario, which is gonna be a beautiful catalog with customer pricing. Here is what it makes it really powerful. So look, we're gonna go back. We're gonna okay, let me finish this transaction, send it over. Again, the catalog feature is really simple. At the beginning, you're gonna start seeing, what are the top sellers, what are the specials and promotions that you have going on. And when you click on create a new order, here's where it's going to show you. Look, I'm looking in a small device, which is in iPhone, but you're gonna be able to see all the pictures, all the catalogs, clean images, and when you click on it, you will be able to see all that information related to them. Also, you have the capability to organize them by category. So make it really easy, really simple for your customers. So if you have different categories or subcategories, you can organize them to make it easier for them. So it is really easy to search. If you're looking for a specific item, you can just type it in and automatically it'll look for that item. You can look by code, by UPC, by the name of the product, whatever criteria that makes it really easier. So each buyer sees also their own pricing, meaning if you have different price level, different pricing for different customers, every time that they log into the app, they're going to be able to see exactly the prices that you have specifically for them. So there is no confusion, no pricing mistakes, because again, they only see what you have already configured for them. So this will protect your margin and improve your your customers buying experience. So if you notice, really simple doing it that way. So let's go to the number 3, out of stock in specials and promotions for the item. Now here's where it comes, where it make it really powerful. Here's where you can stop losing some of the sales. So one of the things that the system has is you have specials and promotions going on for certain customers. So if you're running out of certain products, or certain products are really close, if you're selling, let's say, perishable item, and they're kind of close to expires, you can come up with the specials and promotions, and here's where they're gonna be able to see all the items that have specials and promotions. And the other way that they can do it is this way. Whenever they're looking for items, look, here's where we can come up with what we call substitute items. So meaning, if you buy this item, you can buy this and this and this, depending the type of item that you have. Or the other thing is this: your customer can also look for specific items versus promotions. And if you notice, they're gonna have the tag that is telling them that that item is under a special and promotion. So in this case, it is really simple to buy item, and this is the smart wholesale e-commerce. So in this case, let me stop this for now. Let me stop it. Okay, okay, so what I'm saying is this: this is not a retail e-commerce. This is a pure B2B e-commerce built for wholesale distribution and a CPG brands, right? Convenience and availability drive loyalty. So listen, this was just a quick preview. If you want to see everything OIS e-commerce can do, because there is not only just the app, we also have the web store fully customizable to your specific needs. So advanced pricing, promotions, ERP integration. It doesn't matter if you're using QuickBooks, SAP, Microsoft, NetSuite, also reporting, right? And you need to book a demo. In this case, if you want to book a demo, just click or type demo in the comments, and we will send you the link, so that way you can go ahead and schedule the demo. So make it really easier for your customers to buy from you guys, even when inventory changes. Again, I am Frank, the Wholesale Pro, and I will see you next live. Remember, every Wednesday, 12 p.m. Eastern Time. See ya later.